Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AXXA, IGEN, LWLG, OWUV, and UAMM. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks they're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. And you can see we first talked about Humble on November 13th when it was just 0.027. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. And after you also sign up with your mobile number, you can then click the red download ebook and get the free Insider Financial Guide to penny stocks. And the best part about the ebook, our email alerts, our SMS alerts, is that it is all a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. AXXA, big runner this week, up 79%. This is a $16 million market cap metaverse play. We are going to be having a full report coming out this week on AXXA, so make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to be alerted on this full report on AXXA. Next up is IGEN. This had a big breakout on Friday. This is just a $17 million market cap. We said that it was getting ready to rally last week. Before the move, we said 4 OTC stocks ready to rally, IGEN, and the other one UAMM, 2 that we're talking about today. IGEN back then, when we wrote this on December 8th, was trading at just 0.0068. So congrats to all who caught this move. It's a double in a week. Moving on, LWLG. We talked about this one this week. You can see over here 4 hot NASDAQ stocks. LWLG made new highs, finished the week at new highs. So this is certainly one that has continued to deliver for our subscribers. We have been covering this one since $2.55 this year. Prior to that, we were paying attention to it even further when it was just under $1. So if you go, you can see our profile on June when it was just $2.55. Go back here to, again, it's date and time stamp, June 4th. You go over here to June 4th, and you can see opened at $2.55. Ran to above 16, corrected to 6, and it's just been a nice mover ever since. This was an OTC play that uplisted to NASDAQ. So this is certainly a great play on the Biden infrastructure plan. It is a green play, so certainly one that we really like, and definitely if you look at what the company does, the company uses its proprietary electro-optic polymers to transmit data at higher speeds with less power. So it's, as I said, it's a green energy play, which is make things more efficient. So company has 15 million in cash. Certainly one that deserves new highs, and one we think is going to keep climbing. Next up, folks, is OWUV. And this has just been a tremendous runner for our subscribers. You can go over into the magnifying glass and type in any symbol, in this case OWUV, and can go over here, and we talked about this one World Universe, a potential metaverse play. This was on November 4th. So you go over here to November 4th, and you can see it opened at 0.026. So this one has been a 10-bagger for our actually opened at 0.019 on November 4th. So this one has been a 10-bagger for our subscribers in less than 45 days. So, you know, everyone complaining about the OTC. This week we saw life in the OTC. The market's turning around, but we've still been delivering big winners for our subscribers. Case in point is OWUV. You can go and read our full report from November 4th. But what's exciting about OWUV right now is we have an exclusive transcript with interview CEO Jerry Craig, and I highly recommend you go and read this for a couple of reasons. This is just a $49 million market cap. It's already been a 10-bagger. We still see this one running. This one could easily 10x from here as well, especially if you read the transcript and dive in here. This guy Jerry is just constantly thinking of ways to grow the company. They're looking at multiple acquisitions. There's a number of things that he's working on that he can't talk about right now, but he's hinted and alluded that there's going to be more press releases coming, more deals announced. I mean, this is what you want in an OTC stock. You want a CEO that is doing deals, putting out press releases, becoming, posting, doing interviews, providing transcripts like this to, news organizations like ours, to help spread the word. And he's really working hard for the company and his shareholders. And one thing that's really, really interesting about this is he's in the market to buy back 5 million shares. He's trying to, get as much as he can, but he's sort of, as he said, he's kicking himself that he wish he would have got was able to get filled at lower prices. So, no reverse split coming. He's in the market buying, he can fund deals himself. I mean, everything that, you want from a CEO is in this guy, Jerry Craig. So he's a rock star CEO. I highly recommend you go and read this transcript, read our coverage on OWUV. And, I know a lot of, we had a great week, and we got a lot of attention because we talked about, our past winners. And we do think that, Humble, ENZC, ABML, ALPP, they're all going to make comebacks. But, guys, start looking at some new plays. This is what our subscribers have been doing. They've been catching these types of winners. Don't fall in love with, just the old plays. There's some really great companies on the OTC that are doing big things. and they just don't have there's just not the shareholder base. You don't have the people talking on stock twits or Twitter about these companies, but these companies are the ones that you want to find before everyone else. It's about getting in before the crowd. And we were talking about Humble before really anybody else was talking about Humble. Our subscribers, we're in at 0.027, under 3 cents. I mean, so this is where you make the big money on the OTC, is getting in early on these types of plays where you have a CEO, whether it's Jerry Craig, Brian Foote, advisors that are really looking to put in, do acquisitions, grow businesses, launch new businesses, and are constantly thinking about their shareholders and how they can, take these companies to the next level. And, OWUV, I mean, it just checks off all the boxes. And I really think if you're not already in it, you need to start paying attention to it. RSI right now is at 73. It's a little bit overbought. Was a volatile day on yesterday. Range of 19 cents to 26 cents. If you're not already in, look to accumulate on dips. Put in bids, below the market. Yesterday you would have got filled if you threw in a bid under 20 cents. But I don't think this one is going to be this cheap for this long at just a $49 million market cap. So, especially as he said in the transcript, there's going to be a lot of press releases. You're going to have a lot of catalysts, coming out, a lot of news, and this is really going to drive the the share price, and build the shareholder base and build the community. And it's already been a winner for our subscribers, and we think it's going to continue to be a winner. Next up and last is UAMM. This is just this is an $18 million market cap. This is a DeFi NFT metaverse play. This one's ready to rally. I mean, look at this chart. It's trading above the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving averages. It's really primed to run. We talked about this one back in, was it last week? Ready to rally along with IGEN. Can go and check out what we've had to say about UAMM, but definitely making all the right moves, and as they said, they're active on Twitter. Their DX it's going to list over 100 cryptocurrencies, work with a range of wallets, and be able to interface with major exchanges, Binance, Huobi, and OKX to provide liquidity. So they're getting ready to do that launch. They're also getting ready to launch their native coin. So again, this is extremely cheap at just an $18 million market cap. So start paying attention to UAMM. I think if you go in and see what we have to say, and then continue your research on otcmarkets.com and sec.gov, you're really, really going to like what you see. And, metaverse plays right now with Facebook rebranding to Meta platforms. This is the hot sector right now, and this is what everyone's paying attention to. And, these penny stocks that are involved in this, like UAMM, OWUV, this is a metaverse play. So these are hot, and you're seeing the gains that I've already come to people that got in, but these gains are going to continue ramping up. So I think this is what people need to be paying more attention to, is these metaverse plays, and this is what we are doing for our subscribers. But overall, to recap the week, it was the start of the OTC comeback, and that's what I've been talking about in my videos. I really like the price action this week. We didn't have any new alerts this week. We just going with the flow, seeing our past alerts run and work out. So we're really happy. I'm going to be putting out a report this week. I have a few on my radar that are prime, huge bounce plays. So we'll be sending that out to our subscribers this week. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to capture these big bounce plays, because there's going to be huge rallies in some of these beaten down names. It's going to be like rip your face off type rally. The selling has dried up. The market makers are still short, and you get some buying in, and these things are going to run hundreds of percent. It's primed, and 2022 I think is going to be a huge year for everyone on the OTC, except the market makers that specialize in short selling. So I think if you survive this bear market on the OTC, you're ready for big gains. So just keep at it. Keep studying, keep learning, keep looking at new plays, and it's about staying in this business. It's perseverance. So I've been doing this almost 20 years, and it's been very rewarding. And I think it's only the comeback this week was just a slight. Just a small glimpse of the potential that we can see in this recovery. So I'm really excited, and I think it's going to be a tremendous 2022. So guys, get ready, and again, make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I'm going to be sending our best and alerts to our subscribers, and this way, by signing up, you get it via email and SMS. You don't have to worry about going to the website and looking about what did they talk about today. This way you can get ready right at the open, and then you can go about your day. All right, guys. Well, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and I'll be coming live to you on Monday with a new video. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.